Sup, Hyena Gang? It's your boy, the Hyena King here, and today we're going to be creating a very simple 3 to 4 ingredient tea recipe. Today's tea is going to be lavender tea. So, the number one ingredient is going to be lavender. Behind that, we're going to be including some bay leaves, and you know you can't go wrong with the honey. So, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe and be on the lookout for more content coming from your boy, the Hyena King. For this recipe, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of lavender, 2 bay leaves, and however amount of honey that you will like. Lavender is a great herb because lavender helps you sleep better. Lavender helps ease menstrual cycle pain. It protects your skin from fungal infections. It balances your immune system, and it also helps your digestive and respiratory system. Some more great benefits that lavender has is that lavender helps ease anxiety, it helps promote healthy hair, and it helps with migraine pain. Lavender has a lot of great health aspects that is beneficial that most everyday humans do not know. So it's important to make sure that we do our research. Make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all try some of these tea recipes. Let me know how it go. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and be on the lookout for more content. Let's go, Hyena Gang.